Hello students, so today we are going to study EVS subjects. So let's see. The topics which we are going to study in EVS chapter number 5 seeds and seeds lessons are: first we will see about seed, definition of a seed, then we will see different parts of a seed. After that we will see about germination of a seed and then condition required for germination of a seed. So just let's see about seed. Now we will see what is a seed. Seed is a small, round or oval, wrinkled, winged or hairy object produced by a plant found inside the fruit. When it is planted, a new plant can grow. All flowering plants produce seeds. The seeds are a tiny part of a plant which gives rise to a new plant. Hence, the seed is most important part. Different seed is found in different shapes, size and color. Now students, we will see structure of a seed. As you can see in the diagram, different parts are shown. So we will see one by one all parts of a seed. First part we will see about seed coat. A seed coat protects the internal part of a seed. It is the outer covering. Endosperm. It is located below the seed coat. It provides nutrients to the seed in the form of starch, carbohydrates, proteins to support the embryo during germination. Next part is embryo. It is a young multicellular organism before it emerges from the seed. You can see in the figure, this is embryo. After that, cotyledons. Cotyledon provides nourishment to different parts of this embryo. It emerges as a tiny or fleshy leaf from the soil with the seedlings during growth. It stores food in the form of starch and protein. So these are different parts of a seed. Now we will see what is germination of a seed. You can see in the diagram plumule and radicle. Plumule develops into shoot system and radicle develops into root system. And what is germination? Germination is the process by which a seed begins to sprout and grow into a seedling under right favorable conditions. You can see here children, a white outgrowth is there of a seed, that is called sprouted seed. So this is we have seen about germination of a seed. Now we will see condition required for germination of a seed. Water is necessary for the seed to swell and burst open and then to transport food to the growing embryo. Then oxygen means air is required for germination. It helps or provide energy needed for growth and development. Then temperature needed varies with the particular type of a plant. Light. Some seeds germinate better in full light, while others require darkness to germinate. When a seed is exposed to the proper conditions, water and oxygen are taken out through the seed coat. Through seed coat, water and light absorbs and after the germination process starts. So these are the conditions required for germination of a seed. And regarding this topic, we will see one video. So we will watch one video regarding this.
Our topic for today is seed germination.
It's time to work. I know. I will get the seed.
The life of a plant begins from a tiny seed. The seed is protected by an outer covering called a seed coat. The seed contains a small baby plant called an embryo.
Let's sow the seed. Wait, I have some conditions.
Conditions required for the growth of a seed are moisture, warmth, nutrient-rich soil, sunlight, good quality seed. Once these conditions are satisfied, the seed begins to grow. The seed absorbs water from the soil. And provides moisture to the embryo. The plant cells inside the seed start duplicating. Enzymes get activated. Embryo starts getting nourishment. The first sign of growth is a tiny root which comes out of the seed.
Hey, I am Mr. Root. Let us study the process of germination.
With more and more nourishment, the embryo starts growing.
Oh, sunlight. It's time for photosynthesis.
Eventually, the growing plant bursts open through the seed coat in search of sunlight. To start its own process of photosynthesis. Once the seed coat falls off, the root starts growing downwards to anchor the seed. And to search for more food and nutrients from the soil. Meanwhile, the shoot also starts growing upwards towards the light. Soon, we see a baby plant with tiny leaves. This process of the growth of a seed into a plant is called germination.
So just have a recapitulation on the points. Water, air and sunlight are the three conditions that a seed requires to germinate. Water softens the seed coat which helps it burst open. Air is necessary for the seed to breathe. Sunlight provides warmth required for the seed to grow. So these are the points required for seed germination. So children, today in this video we have seen about the seed, parts of a seed. After that we have seen germination of a seed, and after that we have seen conditions required for germination of a seed. So you have to read all these topics, all these points and find out the hard word meanings for better understanding. Thank you for watching video.